The Navy's Batwing fighter jet promises Mach 4 speed, but it's still just a concept. The SM-39 Razor is a conceptual sixth-generation fighter jet from Stavatti Aerospace, proposed for the U.S. Navy's F/A-XX program. It features a batwing design with titanium foam construction, claimed Mach 4 plus top speed, Mach 2.5 Supercruise, 1400 nm range, and advanced stealth and AI. It's an underdog contender amid skepticism due to the company's limited track record and unproven tech. No prototypes exist as of Feb 2026.